today we're looking at some Ratchet Bulldog loppers. You can see they can cut really wide pieces, and the other thing is, just listen how it works. Ratchet. The other good thing is that if you were reaching into a large bush, you can extend both the handles out and get some real leverage into it. That's not necessary as we cut here, and I just wanted to demonstrate how strong they are. And can you hear that ratchet going? And now that's cut through it beautifully. Very old wood. It's a dead hydrangea actually, and we'll just cut all the basics down. You can hear the ratchet working there, and it gives you a greater ability of cutting wider, thicker branches. There are. That's the Bulldog Ratchet loppers. They're worth a try, so give them a try, as we do here on World Radio Gardening. I did say that you can cut large branches with these Bulldog Ratchet loppers. Well, look what Andrew has just cut. Let's just show you them. Were they out to their maximum?
Yes, they were out to the maximum.
Yeah, you see, out to maximum. But I mean, just look at what they've cut there. Absolutely fantastic. So there's the Bulldog loppers, and we've been trimming back some hydrangea petiolaris. It had grown, I think, about 9 foot high. So we're reducing it in height, going to trim it back and then let it rejuvenate. But there are more tips from World Radio Gardening. Bulldog tools at their best. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.